Welcome to Byte Further. Today we'll talk about how to fix when your iPhone XR keeps restarting. Here's the thing. Your iPhone XR restarts on its own randomly and then keeps turning on and off itself repeatedly. Sometimes, your phone reboots to the home screen but won't stay on long enough. Sometimes, your iPhone XR keeps rebooting the Apple logo over and over again and shutting off, which won't turn on at all. In other cases, your iPhone XR might keep restarting itself every time you enter the passcode and unlock it, or when you're charging it. So, why does iPhone XR keep restarting randomly over and over? And how to fix an iPhone XR that keeps restarting itself problem. In the following, we'll explain the reasons and the solutions for the restart problem. If this video helps resolve your issue, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe Byte Further channel. Now, let's start. Why does your iPhone XR keep rebooting over and over? The random restart problem often happens if storage space is running out on your phone or you're using it for a long time. Unknown app malware and system bugs can also cause your iPhone XR to keep restarting every few minutes or reboot constantly. If your device suddenly reboots by itself and then keeps freezing and restarting when updating software, restoring the device, or transferring data, the process may get corrupted because of unknown errors. Another possible cause is hardware issues. Yes, it's common that your iPhone XR keeps turning on and off Apple logo if you have ever dropped the phone, got it water damaged, or replaced the screen wrongly. No matter what causes your phone to be stuck in a constant rebooting loop, you can still fix it up and turn the device back on. Next, we'll show you 6 methods to get your iPhone XR out of a constant reboot loop. Method 1 is to force restart your iPhone XR. You're using your iPhone XR normally, and all of a sudden it restarts and then turns on and off repeatedly. The system might be corrupted. In such a situation, an easy fix is to force restart your phone. It helps refresh the system and bring your phone back to its normal status. All you need to do is to press the volume up button and then release. Press the volume down button then release. Press the side button and keep holding the button until you see the Apple logo again. You can try the method a few times. You won't lose any photos, messages, numbers, etc. Let's do it. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while. The restarting loop could stop. Your phone turns off with the screen turning black. After around 10 seconds, Apple logo will appear. Release the side button. Let your phone turn on past the Apple logo. If everything goes well, your phone should boot up to the home screen and won't randomly restart again. Method 2 is to delete the faulty app. I know. Some of you might even can't get into the home screen as your iPhone XR keeps restarting loop. I mean, if your iPhone XR just restarts intermittently like it keeps restarting every 3 minutes, and you can still enter the phone, then you can try this method. If you find your phone suddenly reboots just right after opening one specific app, then delete it. Find the app and long press it until the menu shows up. Then, choose Remove App. In the dialog box that pops up, tap Delete App and choose Delete. Now, force restart your iPhone XR and see if your iPhone XR stops restarting constantly now. Method 3 is to switch a charging cable or charger. If your iPhone XR stuck in constant rebooting loop with Apple logo off and on when charging, unplug the charging cable and plug it into the phone again. If the non-stop restarting problem remains, try switching to another charging cable and charger that can be successfully used to juice up other iOS devices. Also, you'll need to clean the charging port using a soft and dried brush to clear away the dirt. Method 4 is to update the iOS software. You'll need a USB Lightning cable and a Windows or Mac OS laptop or desktop. First of all, connect your phone to the computer using the USB cord. Once connected, download and install iTunes or Finder. If you have already had it installed, open the application. Don't worry if you can't see your iPhone XR showing up on iTunes or Finder. You need to do a further step to make the application detect your restarting iPhone XR. That is to put your device into recovery mode. Here's what you need to do. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then press the side button and hold it for a while. The device will stop restarting or showing the Apple logo. Instead, you'll see a black screen. Then, Apple logo will appear again. Still keep holding the side button. When you see a screen that indicates you to use a USB cable to connect a computer, Let go of the side button and your phone is in recovery mode. Keep your phone connected to the computer and go to the iTunes or Finder screen. A dialog box should pop up automatically. From there, choose Update button. Finish the following on-screen instructions and after that iTunes or Finder will start downloading the latest iOS software that matches your iPhone XR. Once the download is done, it'll install the downloaded software to fix and prevent your iPhone XR from restarting all the time and not turning on. The update won't delete anything. You just need to wait a while, maybe 1 or 2 hours, to let the update process finishes. When all is done, your iPhone XR will switch on to the home screen and won't get into the constant restarting loop again. Method 5 is to do a factory reset. If your iPhone XR goes back to the rebooting loop after the update, bring the phone back to its factory defaults. You'll lose all your data and content after doing the reset, so make sure you're okay with that before you try this method. The process is basically the same as method 4 to update your phone. Connect your phone to the Windows or macOS computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, let your phone enter recovery mode. Quickly press then release volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. A screen like this, a USB cable pointing towards a laptop. Keep your phone connected to the computer and go to the iTunes or Finder screen. From the popping up dialog box, choose Restore. Next, click Restore and Update. Finish the following on-screen instructions and after that iTunes or Finder will start downloading the latest iOS software that matches your iPhone XR. Once the download is done, it'll start wiping the clean device and installing the downloaded software to fix the random restart problem. Method 6 is to go to the Apple Repair Center. The previous 5 methods are used to fix up the software-related errors that render your iPhone XR turning on and off over and over. If none of them works, or your random reboot problem occurs after water, dropping, and screen replacement, you'd better take your phone to the repair center for a complete technical reset or a hardware repair. You should call for an appointment at Apple or an approved repair shop in advance to save time in queues. That's all how to fix iPhone XR that keeps restarting itself over and over again. Hope this video can help you get out of the infinite rebooting loop. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.